Hi guys, good morning. Right now I am at Santragachi Jheel. This is just beside Santragachi station. So it says that there are different kinds of birds in this time at the winter especially. So we have come to explore, and there are many photographers whom we are seeing it. They are just behind me, you can see. So they are trying to capture different kinds of birds. So let's see.
I wanna be near trees. I wanna be near trees. If it's just myself that I have to please, I wanna be near trees. I find my comfort there, in the open air. The birds, the bees, the gentle breeze. I wanna be near trees.
You can see the photographers capturing them, and as early as you can, you will able to see more birds. You can see there are a few white colored birds and different birds are there. So this is basically a lake from where you can capture the moments.
I wanna be near trees. I wanna be near trees. Throughout the year, I just wanna be near. I wanna be near trees. I wanna be near trees.
So you can see the name have been framed here, like you can see from Western Europe, of Africa and South Asia. Then few are from Europe, Asia and different parts of Africa. So they have already framed the type of bird which are commonly seen here.